Welcome back. In the previous video, we learned how to add a dynamic logo and dynamic announcement bar. And I noticed that we have some issue with the CSS. Seems like we don't have the menu for the mobile version. And I'm going to install Tailwind CLI into our project. Before to do that, I believe that you have already this file, that's git ignore. Okay, if you don't, make sure to create this file as well. What you're gonna do next is you're gonna run, in the case you don't have any package JSON like me I do here, what you're gonna do, you're gonna run npm init-y, press enter, and then we're going to run this tailwind command, press enter, and we're gonna go now to the asset directory, and to create a file we're going to call it tailwind.input.css. you can name it whatever name you want, and inside I'm going to add this import Tailwind CSS. I'm gonna copy that, I'm gonna paste it here, I'm gonna save it, and we are good to go. So the next command to do is to run this command, so npm this npx command. So I'm gonna copy that, go back to VS Code and paste this command here, but we have to be changing the path, so we don't have the source here, we have the asset. So I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna write asset directory, and our file is named tailwind.input.css, and the output is going to be the same. We want to have the asset directory, and we want this to output at tailwind.output.css. This file is not yet created, and is going to be created when I run this command. So I'm going to press enter, and it's going to create this tailwind output right here. What you're going to do now, before to finish this video, you're going to go to this Shopify ignore here, and you're going to add package.json. You're going to add also package log.json. You're going to also add node module and save it. Perfect. Let's go back to the GitHub project I gave you. Go to source and look for style.css, I believe. Yeah, and then copy all this code here. Copy it, and then go back to your VS Code, and we're gonna go to input tailwind input.css, and we're gonna paste it just below the import and to save it. So for now, this we're gonna come to modify it later on, because we can't access the font right here, so I can't even remove it. So remove this body tag, all right, and you can leave the rest like this, the container like this, and the utility also like this. So save it. So let's go test if it's working. I will go to the layout directory, click on theme.liquid, and first let's remove this script, and now let's add this tailwind. So it's going to be tailwind.output, because we are referencing this output.css, tailwind.output.css, and we need to add the asset URL, because we are like referencing the asset directory, and then we need to add this style sheet tag, okay, so we can have access to this correct HTML link here. I'm gonna come just below the header group, I'm gonna write some h1 just for testing, I'm gonna say hello there, save it. Okay, so I need to also run the command here, so let me run it again, Shopify theme dev, and I should be having this hello there. Let's test if our tailwind is working. So class, let's say text 5XL, text red 800, font extra bold, and let's save it, and it's working. All right, so we have tailwind installed, and we are good to go. And as you can see, even the code changed a little bit. So yeah, so now we have the correct width, and we have the hello word here. So what you're going to do before to leave, you're gonna delete this h1 here, save it. Instead of running this npx code all the time that you're starting the project, okay, it's a bit annoying, we're going to install some dependency package. So let me stop this code here, and let's do npm install concurrently, and you can install it as a dev dependency. So once it's done, what you're going to do, you're going to go to package.json right here. Let me make space for you. Just below the text, we're going to add the dev, to add this
this comma here. Okay, so we're gonna have the dev script, and it's going concurrently, and you add this backslash like this, and we're going to add the commands that we're running when we start our Shopify store. So it's going to be Shopify team dev. All right, so backslash again, we add this double quote, make some space here, and add again this double quote, and we're gonna take this npx command and paste it right here. And before to continue, let's just adjust the path. Is going to be asset tailwind.input.css, and it's going to output into asset tailwind.output.css, and we're gonna end it with double quote like this. Okay, perfect. So if I save it now, and now I can even stop this at the terminal, and I can run this both commands together just by doing npm run dev, and it's going to run the both commands, the Tailwind commands and the Shopify commands. Okay, and we are still good to go. We have no error, so we can continue on the next video.